much for being here and watching my video. I hope you all are having an absolutely fabulous day. As you can see from the description, we are doing something a little bit different today. I do have the other video from last week where I did the Dollar Shave Club for my husband, and I think I said in the video how he was like, when is the box coming? When is the box coming? So he's kind of understanding the, love of subscription boxes. But I secretly ordered him another one, and I think he's going to be super excited about it. So I'm gonna show you guys, okay? My mind's not working today. I apologize. So we have the Karl's Mystery Tackle Box. When I saw this, I was like, I have to. Especially if you go to their website right now, it pops up like instantly for you to put in your email, and they will send you a coupon to get your first box for $4.99. You cannot, that's why I was like, we'll give it a try. If he likes the stuff that's in here, we may continue it, but if not, this was $5. So we're gonna dive in here. We're gonna take a look and see. Love that it says #happyfishing. So let me get my box cutter. I can guarantee you that I will either completely say incorrectly what these items are, or I just won't know. So says catch and win. 1, catch a fish, usually one of the baits in this box. 2, measure. Use the ruler below to see if you have a keeper. 3, share a picture of your fish on Instagram using the hashtag #MTBKeeper for a chance to win great prizes. That's interesting. I was wondering because when I open it, you can see here it says to unfold. So then there it has and that's actually really cool. Keeper requirements for contest entry, and it has like the length that the fish has to be, because I do know, because I have gone pier fishing with my husband, and that I actually do enjoy. We haven't been doing it quite as often here lately, but I do really enjoy it. So I do know that certain, fish have to be a certain length in order for them to be kept. So that's interesting, but we're going to move right along to the box. So this is what it looks like. Welcome aboard. Okay, so this is just telling us like mobile alerts, questions, monthly contact, manage your account, learn about your baits, free credits. So this is just like an informational pamphlet. Dibble. Oh, okay, okay, this right here tells you what's in the box and the value. But then it looks like maybe it's just like a little thing, I guess, for guys to read. I don't know. So okay, and then there's 2 little stickers. There's the mystery tackle box, and then just, I'm not sure, some fish fighting, kind of like the rock'em sock'em. So, okay. I'm going to use this as a reference because I'm glad this is in here, because like I said, I probably would not know what to tell you. So, first thing we've got right here, I know what these are. These are hooks. Best, it says catch more fish. It looks like there's 2 silver and 1 gold. Let's see what this says. salt. Oh, this is what I wanted to tell you guys. I'm so sorry. They have different species. Like, I chose saltwater, inshore saltwater for my husband. They do have, like catfish. I honestly do not remember, but there's like 4 or 5 different types of boxes to choose from as far as what's in them. So like these are saltwater hooks because I chose the inshore saltwater box. So saltwater hooks, $1.49. And I do know that he can never have too many hooks. So then this is by Lunker City Fishing Specialties. It says Fin-S Fish Perch. This is $3.49. Looks like there's 4 of these things in there. Sorry, if you guys know about fishing, great. If not, you're with me. I wanted to do something a little different. I really just liked his anticipation of the Dollar Shave Club. So I was like, you know what, let me see if I can find something else. And when I came across this for $4.99, I was like, he would really like that, and it would be something different to do on my channel. So I thought it was worth it. But while I'm thinking about it, because this is actually more of a guy video, I do want to take a second and tell you guys to check out R.D. Franklin. He is another YouTuber. He is super, super nice. He does a lot of review and haul videos. I will put his link down below for his YouTube channel. Check him out, subscribe. Like I said, he does all kinds of different reviews and haul videos. They're really great. He does a great job, and he puts out a lot of videos. So like I said, check him out. His channel link will be down below. The next item is by Mustad. I do not know if I'm saying this correctly. Lure powered with Ultra Point, stays sharper longer. Big Eye Bucktail Jig. $3.49. I got something else here. Tackle Crafters Pompano Pro Rig, ultra sharp, some kind of hook. The hook is 2 inches, length 42. No, I'm sorry, it's hook number 2, length 42 inches. Oh, that's not 42 inches. I don't know what they're talking about, y'all. The line is 30 pounds. That I do know. That means that this line is strong enough to hold a 30-pound fish. I do know that much. Tackle Crafters Pompano Pro Rig. It's $2.65. And we have one. Do we have one final item? What is this? Karl's catalog. Okay, so they've got like some clothing and different things you can, you could do that from their website. But our final actual item is by Bagley, and it's a balsa jerk. It's got information on the back. Legendary action, balsa jerk. The Bagley Balsa Jerk is an ideal lure for inshore anglers who want to work their baits and impart subtle action into their presentation. Made using the exclusively Bagley heat compression molding process, its balsa body and unique swimming lip create an incredible in-water action that is unmistakably Bagley. When casting, rip, jerk the bait to desired depth and then pause it, allowing the bait to suspend. Reel, twitch, and pause. Repeat. Hang on, the big hit is coming. Perfectly weighted, easy to cast, and it has a rolling action that is truly irresistible, and when twitched, produces big reds, trout, and many other fish. This exclusive MTB, so it must be the mystery tackle box, bait is sure to be a bait you're going to want to find more of. So, here's what it, balsa jerk. I almost thought you could see the, again, I don't know. My husband baits my hook. I just know when the fishing pole twitches that I got something. So anyway, like I said, this was just a video to show you guys something a little bit different. And I would have to say, considering I paid $4.99 for this, we had $2.65, $3.49, so that's just over $6. The saltwater hooks would be $7.50. With the Fin S fish for $3.49, $11, and then $12.95 for the balsa jerk, so $24 is what those 5 items come up to. So that's a pretty good deal. I'll have my husband, you know, I gotta put this back in the box and surprise him. So, you know, he'll be the one to decide if he wants to keep it or if he wants me to change it to, you know, a different, like I did the inshore saltwater. So if he wants the catfish for the river, you know, we could get that box. So, I don't know. Like I said, just something different for the channel, and just trying to get him to enjoy the subscriptions as much as I do. That way I can maybe get more to share with you guys. So again, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I know it's not what we usually do here, but like I said, I just wanted to throw something different on. And I mean, there literally, it seems like, you guys, there's a subscription box for everything. So obviously, yes, our channel is more beauty. We do have some taste test type stuff, but generally beauty related. So this is definitely out of our norm, but that is okay. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day, and I will see you guys with the next video. Bye.